Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can zoom in and zoom out in your app projects or into your app projects on Base44. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your app project inside your workspace in the first step, and then guys click into preview in the top left, and then it depends whether you're accessing the page view or the canvas view. If you're in the canvas view, for example, and would like to, zoom into a specific element of your app page, you can do it by using these buttons in the bottom right to zoom out or to zoom in. You can also use the focus, that is going to zoom to fit. The second option, guys, would be to use the shortcut Control and then mouse wheel if you're using, for example, on Google Chrome. I don't know if it does work also on other browsers, but I'm accessing Base44 here on Google Chrome, and you can zoom into these areas here of your app page by pressing and holding left Control or Command if you're using a Mac, and then using your mouse wheel. And that can also be applied to the page view, as you can see, but in this case the entire browser will be zoomed in or zoomed out, the entire display of the browser or website. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.